Oh. Next is the carrots is orange. Find the orange color here.
Red. You find the red.
Right over here.
Oh, good job. This one. What color?
Next is green. Find the green here. Where's the green color? Seem like this.
Very good. Wow, orange. Red.
Red.
Then this one, purple. Find the purple. Where's the purple? Then next is the color blue. Find the blue color. Where is the color blue? Okay, you pass the teacher. Give to teacher. That's it, teacher. I'm done.